So selecting of role depends on first of all, depends on script. If I like the script, first of all, if my role is very small, hardly matter for me. I mean, depends. And second thing, who is the director? I mean, it's not necessary director should be a big name. That person can be newcomer. But if after narrative, I'm getting feedback or his point of view, the way of narration, his vision, everything. If I could see that director has clear vision about the script and film, then I feel like to be. I mean, because and third thing, my co-actors. Sometime I still remember that when I selected Hazar Chaurasi Ki Maa, my role was very small and just after Bandit Queen. So for me it was because when I was studying in National School of Drama, my dream role was Hazar Chaurasi Ki Maa, that character, mother role. And when I got offer from Govind Nihalani, this small role, because I had dream for this particular bigger role of Hazar Chaurasi Ki Maan, so it took time for me that whether I should do it or not. I share all these feelings with Govind Nihalani, and he said, take your own time. Then finally I said yes, because for me, working with Jaya Bachchan cannot be possible later on, whether I will get chance to work with him or not in future with Jaya ji, plus Govind Nihalani, so it's better to grab it. So role was smaller, but script itself, Mahashweta Devi's book itself is so great thing, so that I didn't want to miss it. That's why I selected. Sometimes variety, because of variety role, I select some role that totally different, but role is very small. For example, in Bhoot, that role itself is very funny. That's why I selected that role. So depends on script. Sometimes for my co-actors, sometimes for the director, sometimes for the vision and everything.
It has always been interesting seeing you in a variety of roles. The rebel and Bandit Queen, the bereaving mother in Hazar Chaurasi Ki Maa, and the quiet non-conformist in Water, and the cunning sleaze cook in Cooking with Stella. Tell us something about how you approach building a character. How do you approach building a character? These are such variety roles you played.
See, always I feel lucky myself that I'm an actress, because I'm portraying human being, every time, and in the whole world, like unlimited characters in the world. So for me, like to observing people and without focus so much, notice a person, but that person is different from me, from you. It's interesting for me, and portraying it's much more interesting for me. So constantly, there is a mind that there is, I have the playing with emotions, playing with characterizations, playing with a mannerism and all these things. Itself is very interesting. And during National School of Drama training course, I remember one of my teachers said that to become a good actor, you have to be a good human being, So for me, as an actor at this stage, for me, to tell the newcomers or all youngsters that to become a good actor, you have to be not necessarily the good human being, and that is their choice, but open, your heart and mind should be open so that you can accept any kinds of role. So for me, preparing any role is I always start my from very zero, as if I get scared, whether it is Bhoot's character, Bhoot, that Ramgopal Verma's film, or Company, or Viva, or Hazar Chaurasi Ki Maa, Khamoshi, Bandit Queen. I always start from zero, from there, and I don't believe as an actress follow the mannerism. You know, I always try to study or imagine a person's mental state, inner study. So I always prepared mentally, you know, like psychologically, rather than physical manners and all.
Now, representations of South Asian women in films is changing, though somewhat superficially, I think. Do you think they're really changing, like in Bollywood, or it has been repackaged, like dressing up a doll in modern attire, etc., just only skin deep? What do you think? Is it really changing in Bollywood?
Yeah, I mean, as compared to, you know, that time in Burma, if you remember when Bandit Queen got released, that time it was big, you know, like controversy and big thing, you know, so many controversy, you know, like when Ben and burning the banners and, you know, like lots of things happened. Now that, you know, like audience point of view got changed. People started accepting that reality, that life is not only that love story and rich family and poor family, that kind of story. And at the same time, you know, like they can believe that, you know, like women directors can, and, you know, like they are much more inspiring and much more stronger than any. I mean, they are equal to men. I mean, there is, for me, like, I'm not at all that way feminist at all. For me, we all are human beings. So for me, I always publicly or socially, for I sometimes, you know, behind the scene work for NGO and all, but always for my motto and thing is to tell the people that we are human beings. It's not that we are women, something special, not like that. Just we are like other common people, and we can also do it. So don't treat us special anything, but at the same time, don't underestimate us also. But for me, like this festival, especially New Jersey Independent South Asian Film Festival, it's so encouraging and inspiring, and especially I was sitting in the panel and all this, you know, like I got to know their vision, and that should reach maximum. Let me share here in very small moment. One of my very good friend, she's a cinematographer from Pune Film Institute, and she struggled for almost 10 years, and finally she gave up that way. She's very strong. I done one film 10 years back with her, and she's very strong. We did a film underwater, you know, lots of things, very experimental kind of film. But she used to, you know, like call all production house and all, you know, like upcoming films directors and all. I want to meet. I'm a cinematographer. When they met, you know, like always she used to share her frustration and all that. That they look like, how can you be a cameraman? You are a woman. So we want a cameraman. She used to say, I'm a camera person. Yes, I am. So, you know, like that point of view has to be changed. And these kind of festivals, I think it's very supporting and encouraging. And at the same time, and finally, it's very sad thing is almost she gave up because she could not do it. But if she, I wish, but now her motto is to make film rather than doing the camera thing, because for her, I mean, socially it's not like people cannot believe it that she can do it. Yeah.